Do I really have to work out on TRT? Isn't the testosterone enough?
So you should be working out. They're two. It's a good question. They're two independent things. You should be working out anyway. So should you be working out on TRT? You should be. Should you be working out if you're not on TRT? You should be. Do it. You need to do it. Extremely important for your health. So you should be doing it regardless. If maybe the bigger question is there, am I going to get results? Like, what are we talking about here? Like, they want to know if they're going to gain muscle or lose fat or to get these kinds of things. There's actually a study that showed if you ramp up the dose high enough, you will get a response from testosterone without any real stimulus, as far as weight training or that kind of thing. I think that was an injectable dose of somewhere like 600 milligrams, which you're not going to, no one's prescribing you that, right? And I don't recommend doing that. Please don't do that. So it's possible if the dose goes high enough, but also that's silly. Why would you do that and then not exercise too, right? So it's very important. The people who do best with hormone replacement therapy are the folks who pair it with a good lifestyle, right? So you're getting a good exercise, you're getting a good diet, you're getting a good sleep, you're living, you're dealing with your stress in positive ways. All those things come together. It all works very good. So I'd say yes, you do have to, and you should. And I harass my patients if they don't. So do it.